Hello, my name is Julie. I am the creator of Treasures Made from Yarn, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this twin peaked pattern. It almost looks like a chevron pattern, but it's not quite. You can see that we got peaks, and then we got a flat part. So I will show you now how to make this twin peak pattern and alternatives to add additional peaks if you want. I'm going to use a size 9 hook and some cotton yarn because I am making a dishcloth, but this is a pattern stitch and you can use any yarn and any hook size that you need. I'm going to start out by making a chain of 40. Okay, I made my chain of 40. This will make 2 peaks. If you want to make more peaks, to make it like a blanket or a scarf, you would add a number that is dividable by 18 for each additional peak. Okay, but after you get your chain, we're going to do a single crochet in the second chain from hook, and 1 single crochet in the next 3, then we have a total of 4 single crochets. We're going to do a decrease in the next 2 chains, so we're going to do single crochet 2 together, and then we're going to do a single crochet in the next 4, then we're going to do 3 single crochet in the next stitch, then we're going to do single crochet in the next 4, then we're going to single crochet 2 together, then we're going to do a single crochet in the next 5, single crochet 2 together. Then we're going to single crochet in the next 4. I'm going to do 3. The next one. I'm going to do a single crochet in the next 4. Then we're going to single crochet 2 together. And then we're going to single crochet in our last 4 chain. Chain 1 and turn. I don't know if you can, probably hard to see it, the first row, but we have our 2 peaks and our little valley in the center. So we chained 1. We're going to start out, we're going to single crochet in the first 4. Single crochet 2 together in the next 2 stitches. Do a single crochet in the next 4. Single crochet in the next 3. Or 3 single crochet in this one stitch, which makes our peak. Single crochet in the next 4. Single crochet 2 together in the next stitch. Single crochet in the next 5. next 2 stitches, we're going to do 2 together, single crochet 2 together, single crochet in the next 4, three single crochet in the next stitch, a single crochet in the next 4, single crochet 2 together, and we're at the end, so you would single crochet in the next 4 at the end. That's it. You just repeat the last row you just did. And you can probably form. We got the peak. And we have, I don't know if I'll call it, it's not like, it almost looks like a chevron, but it's not quite a chevron. So you have, pretty much you have peaks and this flat section in the middle. And if you had make more peaks, then you'll have this 5. You'll have 5 single crochets in between each peak, and you have 4 single crochets on the end. I'll keep making this up, do more rows, and I'll show you how it looks like when it is done. And there you have it. I can see that I have like the 2 peaks on a flat part, and this is how it looks when it's finished. And if you like this tutorial, please give it a like, and if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.